Bonjour et bienvenue. So you are watching this video, which means you have already decided to start learning French, right? That's amazing. So let's learn together. First, we will start with French alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so let's learn with examples. A, avion. Avion means airplane. B, bateau, boat. C, ciel, sky. D, dent, tooth. Un, enfant, child. F, fromage. F, fromage, cheese. G, garçon, boy. H, hôpital, which means hospital. E, île, island. J, jardin, garden. K, kangaroo. L, livre, book. M, maison, house. N, nature, nature. O, oiseau, bird. P, pomme, apple. Q, 4, 4. R, rose, which means pink or a rose flower. S, soleil, sun. T, table, table. U, uniform, uniform. V, voiture, car. W, here W which indicates double V, that's why W, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. X, xylophone, which means xylophone. Y, yogo, which means yogurt. Z, zebra, zebra. Okay, so now let's talk about two letters which always confuse beginners, G and J. So G is pronounced as J and J is pronounced as G.